ይሄ season it was my thing. I think it was more aligned to what I would love as a pod.
Learning this season was very interesting because we had the conversations. We were trying our best to limit kazi bafit yeneberut episodes ላይ, and we weren't as editing or augmenting our opinions as much anymore. I think evolution ለኔ በጣም interesting ነበር to get to the point where you're like, okay, she አንቺ idea ይሄ ነው, የኔ idea ይሄ ነው, we're gonna discuss about it የሚለው level ላይ መድረስ ያስደስተኛል.
Welcome to the Natsanet podcast
with Zalata and Zion. Today, in the segment, we're going to be talking about stand-up comedy March 8th le happen yaraga for women by women nabara. It was amazing, Danny. As somebody who performed, what was it like?
International Women's Day asayeng yaskabrangal biyalasako. Asayeng, for those of you that don't know, አንቀጽ 29 co-host ነው.
Yes.
Sac Central CEO ነው. A lot of accolades to his name. እሱ ያዘጋጀው open mic ነበር atmosphere March 8. It was amazing. There was a new comedian, something I always love to talk about. Witty ትባላለች. It was amazing. She did a very good job. There were poets. There were speeches. The host was Edom, for those of you who don't know, Aurora የሚባል እንትን አለ ዳኒ ፕላዛ ላይ የኮወርኪንግ ስፔስ and gallery አለ የዛ እንትን ናት representative ነች. So she's an amazing host. She has been hosting for a long time, and now she was also giving us poems and በጣም philosophical የሆነ poem drop አድርጋብን. It was amazing. There were musicians, የሚዘፍኑ ሴቶች ነበሩ, ግጥም እያቀረቡ የነበሩ ልጆች ነበሩ, መነባነብ style like essays ነገር እያቀረቡ የነበሩ ሴቶች ነበሩ. A lot more like ልብ ካልሽው ትንሽ feminist ነበረ. ትንሽ
Sure.
It's like it's not a feminist ግንኙነት እንትን event ገባሽ? የፌሚኒዝም event አይደለም, ግን everybody that had a mic in one way or another talked about it, and I love that.
I think what I've noticed is a lot of educated women that understand the world align with the feminist movement. ገብቶሻል? So you don't necessarily have to call it a feminist collection. It's just educated women that want to make changes in the world ብለሽ ስታስቀምጩ feminism ይመጣል እና it's very
don't
interesting.
edit this. ተቃጥያለሁ እኮ ከዚህ ጀምሮ እዚህ ድረስ ተቀጥላላችሁ. እሺ የሞትኩኝ አታይ ወይስ በበቂ ሁኔታ ድራማቲካል ነበርኩ? Sorry.
There was nothing we could fulfill.
We need it. ተቃጠልሽ? Oh my god. Words of affirmation. Words of empathy. Actually, I'm excited to tell you about that as well. ጨርሽልኝ. Educated women will eventually find themselves aligned with feminism.
Exactly. So, አሁን እዛ ላይ ያየሁት a lot of women throughout history, throughout self-awareness, throughout their progress into education, they have found feminism. You don't really have to call it feminism. You don't have to call it anything. ምንም ስም ባሰጪው you align with certain ideas about how society understands womanhood, and that's very interesting to watch.
It was amazing, Lenny.
የፌቨንን ግጥም በጣም ነው የወደድኩት.
እሱ ግጥም በጣም ኢምፓክትፉል ነው እና for the uninitiated ትራማችሁ ከዚህ ሀሳብ ጋር አብሶ ከአባታቸው ጋር ኢንቴንስ የሆነ ግንኙነት የነበራቸው ሰዎች እና ከጊዜ በኋላ ይሄንን ነገር በጊዜው መነጋገር ያልቻሉ ካለፈ በኋላ ግን ዳይናሚኩን እየተረዱ የሄዱ ሴቶች ከሆኑ ይከብዳል
እና እዛው ተቀመጫ I realized how triggering it can be. ገብቶሻል? If you have not processed የራስሽን ነገር እዚህ ያሳለፍሽውን ነገር እዛ ተቀምጠሽ ሰው በተለይ ስቴጅ ላይ አንቺንም ሳይጠራሽ አንቺን እየጠቆመ እንዳወራው ነው የምትቆጥሪው እና it's very interesting and I was so proud of everybody that performed as well as everybody that was cheering in there ደግሞ ከሴቶች በላይ ወንዶች መኖራቸው was very fascinating to me እና እነሱም በጣም highly supportive ነበሩ highly motivated to be there to understand where we're coming from ነበሩ እና እነዚህ ነገሮች made a huge difference ብዬ አስባለሁ ከዛ ይበልጥ ደስ ያለኝ so many different categories of women ነበሩ it was not just poets not just stand-up comedians not just musicians everybody had a story to share about her and it's not even her you or እሷን ሳይሆን her as a woman my experiences as a woman in this world ነበረ እና it was just beautiful to watch
it was a very good time yeah I loved how all the comedians made it regardless of their like perform ያርጉም ማያርጉም መተው ነበረ and I like that
I loved the ማህሌት መኖሯ በጣም አስደስቶኛል ለመሰለሽ of all the feminists I've met and all the feminists I know one of the most fearless ብዬ ማስባት እሷ ነው because not only does she face society day-to-day basis in her work and still choose to speak her truth but despite everything she has experienced in this society because of her beliefs she never edits or augments it to be more palatable and yeah level of courage is something I admire and እግዚአብሔር ካለልኝ one day be ማስበው ነገር ነው ግን I'm so happy she was there and I wanted to say that to her I didn't get the chance to so I hope she's watching this yes
and I was entertained I was happy I loved how my stage went
yes
ፈርቼ ነበረ I forgot my material
እያልሽ ነበር ደግሞ you looked amazing እዛነት you looked so pretty yes
thank you ማቴሪያሌን ረስቼ what I ended up pulling was ማስታወሳቸው እና በጣም መወዳቸው ከፌሚኒስት ጋር የተያያዙ ብዬ ማስባቸው ቀልዶች ያሉ እና ደግሞ እንተ ዊቲ ስታወራ ትዝ ካለሽ ሀብታም ወንድ ጠብሶ የሚያውቅ ምናምን የሚል conversation የነበረ ሳ I remember that story ከዛ with minor edits እሱን story I told it ከዛ I love the way the last joke went I enjoyed myself and I feel like for the day it made sense for me and I enjoyed it like it tied us into a whole
yes path
section of thought for me የሆነ ይሄኛው አለቀ ስለሌላ ነገር እናወራለን የሚለው ፓርት ሻል አይደል እሱኛውን ዘግቶልኛል እና I really loved that experience
the thing Lenny that was euphoric አንቺም ፌበንም have become you've been my friend for a long time ፌበንም she's becoming my closest friend ሳሆን እና one of my closest friends ሳሆን and seeing you both perform Lenny was euphoric because I'm like this beautiful powerful women are my friends that I get to talk to and I was so grateful to know that the people that have the capacity to process things the way you guys do are the people I get to talk to about my issues so ለምሳሌ my eyeshadow እና my chapstick doesn't match with እናንተ ጋር ነው and that level of gratitude ለየት ያለ ነው ሳታስቢ simply because you realize you have friends that will definitely educate you as well as challenge you as well as be kind enough to emotionally be there for you and March 8th ላይ ቁጭ ብዬ ያዩዋቸው I realized and through you I've learned to laugh at my most terrifying and tragic moments and through her I've realized okay so my version of myself may be affected by everything I've experienced before and I'm still in a healing progress lining and I'm still progressing into the woman I want to be
yes
and that's okay የሚለው ነገር so it was so much gratitude in that room Lenny ራሱ seeing you three girls there እዛ ተቀምጣችሁ I was like you know what God bless you know ቁጭ ብለሽ በጣም just so much euphoria in your system that was March 8th Lenny
yes seeing Edom perform that poem it was an intellectual flex I was jealous I wish Nell
ሁለተኛውን poem
yes
but wait እያለች yes
watch him poem and watch ወይም watch no I think the title
and that's በተለይ የሆነ part ላይ she used so many big words and I said nothing and that made so much that's our politics
እንደሚሰማ ሰው ታጨበጭባላችሁ የሚል ነበረው
yes
yes I loved it
and
was
the
a flex
reflection
yes If we can find these poems, የፌቡንም የኤዶምንም I want to attach it to the end of the episode.
I would love to. የፌቢ አሁን ለምሳሌ her music ነው አይደለ? ታይትሉ
አላስታውሰም። በጣም ብዙ ጊዜ ሰምቻለሁ። ኤቭሪ ታይም እንደ አዲስ ነው የምሰማው።
አይ ልክ ነሽ። It's just the way she explained history and the way, despite not being removed from the responsibility and sacrifice, we are removed from the glory of it. And the way she explains it and the way she transitions from male to female and the way she's having conversations, ሁሌም lives me stunned. ገብቶሻል? እና I would love to እሺ ካለችን ፖስት ብናደርገው ደስ ይለኛል። there was a girl ሁሌ ፖም ነው ፐርፎርም የምታደርገው። I think መነጽር ታደርጋለች፣ ቀይ ልጅ ናት። you remember her አይደለ? እሷ ራሱ very interesting። የሷን I only remember that ወንድሟ እንደነበርና ወንድሟ ሲቀርጻት እንደነበር የዛነት
that's cute.
It was. And every time she performs I find it very interesting. የሷ ፐርፎርማንስ ራሱ በጣም ወድጄው ነበረ። it was great። እውነቱን ለመናገር እኔ ዩፎሪያ ላይ ስለነበርኩ
እና አቡሽ ነው
yes
that was a good time. He was very intense. I think he loved the event as well and everything came together. I loved watching Edom and him work together because I feel like they have complementary ideas of what performing arts are.
I like that you used complementary.
Yeah, I've seen people with different ideas that may like at a chance may work together. With them again it's like
perfectly
it's
complementary.
A fit. I hope for more events with them, especially those two. It was amazing. I love watching Fabian perform. ትረሻዋለሽ አጠገቧ ስትይ how good of a performer she is.
Not just a performer, as a person, how her thought process works, how good she is at explaining, how her ideas and concepts vibrate beyond herself. ገብቶሻል?
That is something very ልታዩ የምትችዩ የት መሰለሽ ቲክቶክ ላይቮች ትገባለች very intellectual conversations ሐሙስ randomly ማታ ላይ ላይቭ ሼር ታደርግልሻለች ብለሽ ስትገቢ የሚገርም ሀሳብ ላይ ማለት ነው ጭንቅላትሽ እንዲረብ እየተደረገ ሊገባሽ የሚገባ ሀሳብ ላይ ይተንጣት ሳይሉ ማለት ነው እያወሩት ትገቢያለሽ እና it's such an experience. I've been learning a lot from them. It's been an amazing journey for me.
ማለት
እና Fabian is like you can never forget how smart she is if you're like around her for long enough and especially complain ልታረግ ስታስብ how well thought of and how feelingoቿን እና ሀሳቦቿን እንዴት ኤክስፕረስ እንደምታረግ ስትረጂ ትያለሽ I'm dealing with somebody like a big ነገር የሚለው ይገባሻል። It's been a few months ላይቮች ከእሷ ጋር መግባት ከጀመርኩኝ and
I like
I should not have said this. I was trying to keep the live.
A whole episode ነው የሚሆነው ስለ ፌብን ካወራን because
we'd love to have her. እሷና ማሂን አንድ ቀን it would be amazing to have them at the same time.
It's gonna be so sharp. It's gonna be one of those episodes ከዛ በኋላ እኔም አንቺ ማስክ አድርገን የምንዞርበት episode.
No, actually እንትን viewers advisory እንትን
not for the sensitive ብለሽ
no እንትን
not for the sensitive
43 plus ነው the average እንትን የወንድ መብሰያ እድሜ 43 ነው ተብሎ ነግሬሻለሁ። ግን እኛ ሀገር አይደለም እኛ ሀገር ከ43 ሊበልጥ ይችላል። እኛ ሀገር አይደለም
malnutrition ስላለ ነው አልገባኝም።
actually ከ43 ያንሳል most likely because malnutrition ስላለ you gotta feed yourself
to
early adultification ምናምን ይኖራል because of the economical state we live in.
Okay, another episode?
Yeah. Anyways, I think that was it for Indelipe. It would be exciting for you to see any of you guys and as you open my Chile.
Yes. Yes.
It's been amazing. I can't wait for the next one. I don't even care if it's
open mic no March 8th no.
March 8th no. ያወራው የነበረው open mic ዛሬ አለ I think.
I want to see. እንደውም ከማርች 8th ውጪ once in 3 months, once in 2 months ብናረገው ደስ ይለኛል። women celebration ዝም ብለን or sharing information or sharing anything ብለን for people who actually want to understand, who actually want to evolve the movement and understand what it's like to be a woman in a third world country የሚለውን conversations make መናረግበት ፕላትፎርም ቢኖር ደስ ይለኛል።
that would be amazing ግን እንትን ነው እንደዛኛው የተጨቆኑት ቀልዶች ላይ የነበረ የሆነ ቀልድ ነበረ 7 ነበርን ሲለው ያኔ ነበረ በአንድ ድማሚት ያለው አላ እንደሱ እንዳያረጉ እንፈራለሁ በአንድ ቦታ ስንገኝ ደስ አይለኝ
I mean, is it a joke though? Is it a joke?
እንደነገርኩሽ viewers advisory እዚህ ጋር አስገቡ 43 plus
You be joking and I understand that. Good data no. I think it's about time we had those conversations. Kadaza. Yeah. So anyway.
And I want to have debates.
It would be very interesting.
Especially
very interesting.
With women who like host እንደዚህ very anti-women የሆነ events. I would want to have a debate.
Anti-women events like?
Anti-feminist events አዘጋጅተው የሆነ ጊዜ ላይ
Anti-feminist event?
እንደውም በማን የተነሳ እንዳወቅኩ ልንገርሽ ቲክቶክ ላይ ኢላስ የሚባል እንትኑ አለ አይደል ማሂ ላይ አራፍ ቪዲዮ የሰራው እናቱ ጋር የደወለው ሰውዬ ነው the way I'm holding on to that grudge it is very personal because here's the thing I can't stand ሳይንቲፊክ ፕሮሰስ እንዴት እንደሚሰራ አውቃለሁ የሚል ሰው አውትላየር እንደሆነ እያወቀ እኔ እንደዋናው ብሎ ሲያወራ it's fucking ridiculous ይቅርታ it is very funny
I love the adjustment. Again, that's the thing I like when they do that. Lemmasadish. It gives us an opening to say he is an outlier. It gives us an opening to say we wish this was the thing you guys are doing as men.
I don't wish. እሱ ከሚኑ በጣም በታች ነው እና አሪፍ ሚን እንደሆነ ያወራ ነበር ይቅርታ I'm sorry I refuse.
I understand that. It's just
I can't have imagine you're married and your husband calls his mom every time you call him out on something.
Imagine ማለትሽ ነው የሚያስቀኝ እዚህ ጋር ግን like I'm
like, you know, I would love it to stay there. Okay? I don't want to go for it. No, it's not good for either of us. Let's keep it at imagine. And not he's ብቻ ይሄ አይደለም ዋና ነጥቤ ነበር ይሄ ሰው ያለ እና የሆነ ኮንፈረንስ ላይ ተሳትፎ ንግግር እያደረገ ነው ካጠገቡ የሆነች ሴት ፖስት አለች እና ፌሚኒዝም ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ እንዴት መጥፎ እንደሆነ መግለጽ አላማው የሆነ ኢቨንት ነው ተሳስቼ ከሆነ አምሹር ደውላ ተነግራቸዋለን ግን
holy hell እሺ
ብቻ እሱ ሰውዬ በዛ የተነሳ አየውኝ okay it's not just him there are women that genuinely think like this and that have these conversations in a proper formal setting. ስለዚህ I would love to have a conversation with them. I feel like we need to come to like at least the same page.
Yeah, ማለት I would love to have that discussion.
ስለ ፔጁ ያለን ቪዥን ቢለያይም at the same page ብንሆን ደስ ይለኛል.
Okay. You know what? Okay.
ሴት ይቆረጣል አትፍሪ.
It's just it's so complicated. I don't understand እያደረኩ ያለሁት what we understand of feminism ከዚህ በፊት አውርተናል አሁን from what I understand of my country a little bit ከአዲስ አበባ ውጪ በተለይ ያለው reality feminism is a luxury ገብቶሻል feminism comes when you have the financial statement to then understand what the world is yes. or have time to actually think of what the world is and you're not starving or depending on anybody else so I would love to have these ideas and discussions with these women that have the time to actually sit down and discuss these ideas. Again, it's also funny to me that feminism directly copy-paste ሊደረግ አይችልም from what we understand of it. ገብቶሻል? It has to, at least from አሁን እየተረዳሁ ያለሁት, it has to start from the basement of simply gender-based violence ይቅር. Forget feminism የሚለውን actual movementun and whole topicun. gender-based violence ይቅር education for all women ከሚለው ጀምረን ነው እዛ ጋር እንደርስ የምንችለውን እየተረዳው ነው ግን for that to be the reality we need to have discussions I agree so እነዚህን ዲስካሽኖች make ምናረግ ደስ ይለኛል it's just how we're gonna make them will definitely determine how we're gonna keep things moving ብዬ አስባለሁ so yeah
so ይሄ የዚህ ሲዝናችን የመጨረሻ ኤፒሶዳችን ላይ ነን
yes የዚህ ሲዝን ሳይሆን seasonal break ነው actually 15 ላይ ነን
ኦኬ ሲዝኑ ይቀጥላል
እሺ ሲዝናል ብሬካችን ይሄ ነው የሚሆነው ነው
የሲዝን 3 ኤ ፓርት እንደ ሲዲ ማለት ነው ቢን ያስገቡ ዋው እሺ that's what he used to say አምልጦኝ ነው okay whatever
yeah
what has been memorable for you
Lenny, this season was very interesting because we had the conversations we were trying our best to limit ከዚህ በፊት የነበሩት ኤፒሶዶች ላይ and we weren't as editing or augmenting our opinions as much anymore. I think evolution ለኔ በጣም interesting ነበር to get to the point where you're like okay she had idea you know your idea you know we're gonna discuss about it የሚለው level ላይ መድረሱ ያስደስተኛል another thing is እንደ ድሮ guest ያበዛን አልመሰለኝም በአሁኑ which was fun and አሁን ደግሞ comment sectionዎቻችን ላይም ታያዋለሽ people actually commenting more and ይሄንን ነው የምፈልገው ይሄንን ነው የማንፈልገው ሲሉሽ which was great
እኔ there were some videos we did that we couldn't post እሱ አሳዝኖኛል አብረን ቪዲዮቹን ሰርተን ለነበር ሰዎች ኤክስፕላኔሽኖችን እልካለሁ ፈርቼ ነው
ከኛ በላይ ሆኖ ነው actually it's truly not something we could have controlled
ችግር ምክንያት there you go
exactly አሰጅቀቲ
my favorite was ከ5 ኪሎ ጓደኞቼ ጋር ብዙ ተገናኝቻለሁ በዚህ ሲዝን there was Natanim, there was Misla, there was Brooke. We had such a good time. So that was my favorite episode actually by the season. We were all over the place. It was so random. I took off more than an hour. ከቀዳና የቆረጥኩት 1 ሰዓት ያካባቢ ይሆናል ማለት ነው
What did you all say?
Everything. 3 ሰዓት ነው almost 2 ሰዓት ከ40 ምናምን ደቂቃ ነው የቀረጽ ነው ስንት ደቂቃ ነበር የወጣው 2 ሰዓት ያልፋል አይደል
አንድ ሰዓት የነበረው
1 ሰዓት አካባቢ ተቀንሶለታል 2 ሰዓት ከ40 or 50 ምናምን ነው ሪከርድ ያደረግነው 1 ሰዓት ከምናምን ተቀንሶለታል because we had feelings about that place we had feelings about other things you were overreacting ብሎ overreacting ግን አላዩ አልኩኝ ከዛ guess what እያወራን የነበረው አንዱ አስተማሪ ወንድሙ አገኘኝ እና ስለንተና እያወራችሁ ነበር ባለፈው አለ ምናምንና ደግነቱ it was the one I liked ባይሆንስ እንዴት ነበር we had a good conversation I think you and I had amazing conversations I don't think if they made it to the air good like things that has made us step into okay this is what I've become in የሚያስብሉ conversations ነበሩን that I've enjoyed በጣም ደስ ይል ነበር እሱኛው part I love that we have like had all the conversations I wish we would have had and I love how many people are enjoying it hey season it was my thing I think it was more aligned to what I would love as a pod
I realized we're not for tens of thousands viewership ላይ የሚቀመጥ አይነት ፖድካስት እንዳልሆነም እየተረዳው ነው
what do you mean we'll get there of course
it's not that we won't get there it's just I don't know if that many people understand the things we're talking about Ethiopia ውስጥ as well as understand where we're coming from and actually speak about it in a way we hope to speak about it ገብቶሻል and the more I talk to people the more I realize very ፌበንጋ ከዚህ በፊት ስናወራው ነበረ the more limited people are in understanding a bigger world ገብቶሻል that comes again ቀደም ያልኩሽ topic ነው it's a luxury item when things in your life you want to point to see there so no then you wonder the questions we ask in our podcasts ገብቶሻል ሲቀጥል ደግሞ for somebody to have the time to listen for an hour or two about these discussions and then really conceptualize it and then speak about it እንግሊዝኛና አማርኛ ሳይሆን no the topic you mentioned እዚህ መጽሐፍ ላይ እንዲህ የተባለው ብሎ understand የሚያደርገው ሰው limited ነው እና sure ሲጀምር it was የነምበርስ ጉዳይ ከሆነ it's gonna be an issue eventually ብዬ አስባለሁ but አሁን ያሉትን 4200 ሰዎች በጣም እንደወዳቸው አድርጎኛል because comment section ላይ ታያዋለሽ if anybody acts in a very
inappropriately
comment section is not insulting him it's literally pointing out how naive being askamto that person is and they're not the type of people that's gonna insult you ante no explain your idiocy no matabayo na I love those 4200 people because those are the people I would love to have a conversation with at any party at any location and even ፊት ለፊት መጥተው ሲያገኙ are people I'm like really sure let's talk about any topic you've watched and I love the concentrated amount of people I don't know if we're for the many but the few we have are the few I would love to have conversations with at any event is that making sense
it is making sense and I'm still very shocked that we're still going on I'm surprised that there are people who watch this and I'm very happy I would love to have like there were a list of people I really wanted to have over not time was not really on my side በዚህኛው ሰዓት so for the next part of this season I would love to have those people especially the women I've been introduced to because of the multiple events I've been attending horizon ለማስፋት እየሞከርኩ እንደነበር ትዝ ይልሻልና I even did a tea event that was amazing
yes I remember
I did a Christmas event zendro arts and crafts ነበረ it was amazing so I'm trying to widen my horizon and meet as many people as possible እና እነዚህን ያገኘኋቸውና ኮንቨርሴሽናቸው በጣም አሪፍ የነበረ ግለሰቦች ብዬ ማስባቸውን ይዤ መምጣት ፈልጋለሁ እና I'm excited I'm looking forward to that I'm looking forward to bringing different perspectives from us absolutely would love to debate እንደነገርኩሽ በቃ debate አሁን I'm ready. I'm primed.
Debate scares me, Rashashim. Simply because I've realized we can get very emotional when it's the topic we're actually passionate about.
Very true.
And that's ለእኔ ትንሽ scary ያደርገዋል ግን ከዛም ይበልጥ debating in a way that you want to understand each other and debating in a way you're just trying to win ይለያያል.
Very true.
እሱ part ያስፈራኛል when we're having discussions I like it because we're both actually listening in order to get to a point ነው ገብቶሻል I would like to understand this topic you would like to understand it from my perspective okay so ይሄ ልክ ነው ይሄ ልክ አይደለም ላይ ነው የምትቀመጪው ግን when you're actively debate ነው ብለሽ ስታስቀምጪው and not a discussion I don't know if it leaves enough room for a change of mind and change of heart and evolution as a whole again the idea of a discussion is very interesting to me because at least learning from my idea of what I understand of discussion it's entirely dependent on I would like to understand your perspective no? I would like to compare it with what I see of the world and now let's see where I go wrong and where you go wrong and what I have to learn from this discussion no? እና እሱ part interesting ያደርገዋል ለእኔ ከዛም በላይ ግን there are so many points I would like to debate there's a topic that has been on my head over and over and over again እና እሱን ራሱ ከግሩፕ ኦፍ ሜሎች ጋር እናወራበታለን ብያለሁ
እኔ ቲጂስ ፐርስፔክቲቭ ማግኘት ፈልጋለሁ ባካ
ቲጂ there's a few TGs እና none of them are
የኬተሪንግ ዋን አይደለም
እሷ
I love health and እንትን food as we can see so no
ዛሬ ተመጣጭልኝ በሚገርም ሁኔታ
እኔ ቲጂስ ፐርስፔክቲቭ ነው ማይኩን አስቀምጡት የሚል ቪዲዮ ሰርታብን ታውቃለች ባይ ዘ ወይ
ቲጂ የትኛዋ
ቲጂስ ፐርስፔክቲቭ እሷም ግን ማይኩን አላስቀመጠችው
እኔ አናውቀው ነኝ እኔ I would love to talk to her እሷንም ዲስካስ ብናደርግ ደስ ይለኛል
አላናገራችሁም ብላ እየሰደበችን ኮንተንት እንዳሰራች
that's why I want to talk to her
ለምን ነው የምትሳደቢ ብለሽ
no አይደለም like already አላናገራችሁም ስላለሽ the minute we talk to her we're already
እኔ እንኳን here's the thing what I have come to understand. I'm willing to discuss on some topics. I'm not willing to discuss on some others. When I say a debate, I mean win or lose kind of debate. No, if not win or lose, I want to make sure there are some things that are captured about a conversation. እንዲህ ተብሎ ነበረ የሚባለው ፓርት እንዲኖር እፈልጋለሁ. It has very little to do with convincing somebody in front of me. It has a lot to do with making sure somebody with the same talking points somewhere understands what's happening. እኔም ሊሆን እችላለሁ ሉዝ ማድረገው ሰውየውም ሊሆን ይችላል. አትሊስት ዶንት ዱ ዲስ ቶኪንግ ፖይንትስ ይዘሽ ትሄጃለሽ. ገብቶሻል?
Okay.
ከዛ ደግሞ the other
Is
part
that
is
really helping our movement የሚለው ሌላ ጥያቄ ነው እና ሌላ ኤፒሶድ
No.
እናድርገው.
no, I think it is, because the more sensationalized the debates become, the more people will fake the conversation.
Okay, so another episode. Kapti.
Capitalist ነኝ እኔ. Never lied. So I would love to have this conversation with people, because this debate, I guess, because I think I am surrounding myself with this like ቫልዩአችን አንድ አይነት የሆነን ሰዎች አብረን እየዋልን ነው. I feel like I agree to some extent, but I'm to the closest of my friends. We have pretty much similar values. If not, you understand me well enough for me to be around you easily. One circle removed kona, okay, at least we're not going to have this conversation because I know what they are and they know who I am now. ከዛ በኋላ ደግሞ አይመለከታቸውም ጋር ትደርሻለሽ. እና ምን ገጠመኝ መሰለሽ? a couple of times ከውጭ ሀገር የመጡ በጣም ሚሶጂኒስቲክ ሰዎች አጋጠሙ. በጣም ትሪገርድ ሆነው ዶሚኒሪንግ የሆነ ኤነርጂ ሊያሳዩ ግራ ገብቶኝ ማለት ነው. እኔ I've never encountered that kind of like
That's very true.
trying to you clearly are doing the thing that is wrong. I pointed it out. You blowing up on me is not going to make it right, is how I think. But these people will have the blowouts regardless. So I feel like I'm getting far removed from a very baseline
Passport
of
bro አጋጥሞሽ ነው? It
something
sounds
like that.
Very like
in India and West Africa ነበረ. The Indian was not blowing up at me. He said literally India is a very nice place for women. Again, and echo chamber የሆነ ስለሆነ ላይፌ እሱን ለማስተካከል እየሞከርኩ ነው. ቪወሮቹ ያው በመኖራችሁ ተጠቀማላችሁ እያሰባለሁ፣ ግን ለኔ ነው ይሄ ሁሉ ለጣ.
okay. We held it together.
We did hold it together. Trust.
Okay.
ለኛው ደግሞ ፍቅረኛ አለኝ እያለ የሰው ሰው ላይ የተጠመጠመ አግኝቼው ምን እያረክ ነው ብየው ነው.
You what? You what? እሺ.
Sometimes I forget my size.
Survival instinct ሁለተኛ ነው የሚመጣው from right and wrong እና justice ከሚለው
At times.
Okay. At least we're aware of it.
Not only. I don't care about justice all the time. There are specific justices and specific times in the night, specific levels of intoxication required to match all these things. No. Even እንዳለ እሱ ሰውዬም he blew up. ከዛ ደግሞ የሆነ like I started encountering a certain stereotype of people, and I realized I am not equipped at all to deal with it at all. So I'm like, what do you even do, Zika? Like, what is he doing? Is this a tantrum? Is this what they call a tantrum? Give to Shalala?
Yeah.
Since I don't know if I'm a tantrum person. I might lose my ever loving shit like properly.
You don't think you're a tantrum type of person?
Define tantrum. This is not working out tantrum, or like, oh my god, no, tantrum.
So like I've discovered layers of tantrums through my friends, and አሁን የተማርኩት ነገር እሱን ነው. There are people who are physically aggressive የሚሆኑ አሉ, right?
That's what I find tantrum.
I know. And then there are the intellectual tantrums. አሁን through life የተማርኩት
Okay.
the smarter they are, intellectual tantrums ነው throw ያደረኩት.
Okay.
So they don't get physically aggressive with you. They just look at you and you know they're about to prove you stupid.
that's not a tantrum.
Of
You are
course
wrong.
not. No. And then የሚያስረዱበት መንገድ ነው እኮ የሚለወጠው. They don't say
condescend ያደርጋሉ ነው to condescend is to condescend. There is a term for it.
Sure.
To tantrum is to
I
tantrum.
understand that እናንተ physical tantrum ነው tantrum የምትሉት. I understand
Yes, that's
that.
what I've been experiencing.
I understand that, but it's funny to me because verbal lash down ስታረጉት you don't consider it tantrum እና
That's
it's very
intellectual throwdown, no?
You
Happens
see
to
it.
the best of you.
You see it?
Not us. You.
And that's my point.
Right?
They look at you some way and then they prove
Okay,
you
but like
wrong.
I think that's just condescending. I don't consider it a tantrum.
ለምን መሰለሽ ነው tantrum የሚለው?
Extra ማይሉን ሲሄዱት ነው?
It's not simply just extra miles because everybody can tell they're about to do it and because they're triggered by what you just did or said. Hulet, it comes from a version of you that's doing it specifically to hurt that person's feelings at tasbut. And then it's done in a way that the same reason tantrum throw me darago purpose is the same thing why the words that are being chosen to have that argument.
Why do people throw tantrums?
አንደኛ insecurity ነው ሁለተኛ ደግሞ the only way they can express that emotion is through anger እና being defensive ነው tantrum usually የሚመጣው እዛ ጋር ነው እና እዚህ ጋርም the same
Are
thing
we not forgetting a single important element about a tantrum? That's
Physical
your
aggression.
only way out. When you're condescending, you're already winning. You think you're right. I genuinely, every time I've condescended, if you think I'm condescending, I thought I was right. This person, I've heard this person enough times and I can't believe this person is going through life thinking this, no.
So the difference between tantrum and condensation condensation actually evaporation
Condescension.
thank you is one because they don't have an escape no and the other one is because they really believe they're right no okay let's go through that.
That's condescending. I'm sorry. So are you throwing a tantrum?
I said let's go through that.
I know.
Accept
No, I'm asking you a question.
No.
When you say, I'm saying you think you're right about that topic, Aaron?
I do.
And you said, okay, let's go through that. That is condescending.
No, it's
is
because
that a tantrum?
I can't. Yes, and
You throw a tantrum,
yes, apparently.
To be right, you're throwing yourself under the bus.
No, I'm trying to explain to you that I'm actually,
You
if
know
I
what? I
don't
don't
do
wanna
the
do this.
research, I can't say ይሄ እንዲህ ነው ልልሽ አልችልም ገብቶሻል
እሺ
because like tantrum ከዚህ ይመጣል at least my understanding of it and I explained so for sure what I understand of intellectual tantrums እነዚህ ናቸው ብዬ explain አድርጋለሁ so unless I actually do the research እዛ ዲቴሎቹ ላይ I can't really say oh you're wrong for sure ልልሽ አልችልም ገብቶሻል I could just understand your topic and say okay እሺ let's go with that ማለት ነው የምችለው. Am I making sense?
Yes. Again, what I understand to be like, we can take this outside. Bicha, intellectual tantra. Let's get it together. What do you want to do for the next half of this season?
The next half of the season. I want to have discussions with traditional people that oppose our ideas completely, traditional men, traditional women, traditional people that really believe in this idea of what a woman should be or what a man should be, not in a debate, not in a, okay, I oppose you, so I genuinely want to understand where their thought process comes from and where they think it's benefiting our society and how they think it's going for the plenty. And I would like to understand how to communicate with these people because clearly we're not communicating. I know you disagree.
I don't. It's not that how to communicate. Sati, why are animals talking? Why are things talking?
I'm not going to say nothing.
Communicate with partner. I would love to be a fly in the hole. Do you communicate with traditional people?
That's where that's what I want to do. You could just
I completely agree. It's just a conversation. I'm sorry because
see like this tantrum emilona and na
this is condescending. True. Absolutely, I'll take that. And again, my head was like a woman speaking.
Do you
A
see,
female
like,
talking.
I say this simply because okay, so okay. That's what I want to do because I really
I
want to
see.
understand the other side of this wall. I would love to have conversations that would affect the many that we don't see. And because I'd like to invite a few people that I'm a huge fan of and we both know. And I would love to have these conversations and understand their perspective, especially እነሱ ካደጉበት ሀገር ከነበሩበት ሀገር እዚህ መጥተው ያዩት ልዩነት ካለ ቢናገሩ ደስ ይለኛል።
Yes.
And I would love to have these discussions. Angie.
Speaking of traditional, you know who, like, my dream guest man, don't tagalsh. My dream
I'm so
guest.
worried. I'm so
Don't be worried. I love this man. I've loved this man for a very long time.
Traditional ብለሽ love ነው ያልሽው?
So at times we have the same takes on some things, because at times he would have a completely different take from what I think, baseline ብዬ ከማስበው of what I imagine to have in common with this man.
ምናምን ባሪያው ባልሆነ ምናምን ባሪያው ባልሆነ
ሰመረ ባሪያው I would love to have a conversation with him, especially የራሱን ቪዲዮዎች እያየን ግን that's a topic for another, definitely a topic for another time. በእውቀቱ
ስዩም okay, that's going to be interesting.
I love this man. I've loved this man for years and years and years, performing wise, reading. I put my mother onto him. That's how much I've loved him and how long I've loved him.
Is he a traditional person?
At times, rarely. Mostly again, very outlier behavior na yallo. He's well written. And I remember there was a time in Yagar masturbation takalkalo bahig. He had a piece out on Facebook. I know የዚህ ሰውዬ career height ይሄ እንዳልሆነ ይገባኛል ግን you have to understand ይሄን ሰውዬ እንደምወደውና ሁሉንም ነገር ፎሎ እያደረኩ እንደነበር የሆነ ፓርት ላይ I love him እና I would kill to have a conversation with him.
I think I know somebody who can make that happen. I'll have those conversations.
I would kill ስልሽ እየቀለድኩ አልነበረ.
I mean, I'll give you a name.
They can ask. It's like a favor for a favor.
Okay, we'll make that happen. Okay, we'll see.
What are you do you have any I guess tantrums and condescension?
I'm like, I can't wait.
Your unpopular opinion.
ለምሳሌሽ I say this because it's in the way it's done ብዬ አስባለሁ. You could be condescending but not be throwing tantrum. ሁለቱ ይለያያሉ ብዬ ስለማስብ ነው። ገብቶሻል?
እሺ ስለዚህ ኢንተሌክቹዋል ታንትረምን ከኮንደሰንዲንግ መለየት አለብሽ in your definition.
I understand that. When it's actually done with the purpose of letting that person come down, ገብቶሻል? It's not condescending because you're trying to have fun or trying to just
condescending is basically what you said.
Okay. Let me read about it and then let's discuss it. It's easier that way because I could tell the difference when it's just simple condescending አይነት pattern ሲኖረው እና
Okay, so you like የምታናገሪው ሰው ወይም ሴትዮ like they're condescending as a whole.
And
this moment is personally tailored
them
for
throwing
me.
a tantrum still because when they're feeling directly insecure or threatened with their ideas and they በተለይ እኔ ብዙ ጊዜ ማየው when it's a very egotistic man and a smart woman having a conversation and then she convinces him of a topic and a verbal tantrum throw ያደርጋል because simply it's not condescending, genuinely trying to put her in her place ብሎ የሚደረግ ነገር ነው.
Can I condescend?
Can I know actually?
Into that conversation.
Of course.
To condescend, you have to be intellectually superior to the person.
I understand that.
To throw an intellectual tantrum.
That's why I say it is a tantrum. ለዛ ነው.
He would አይደለም ይኸውልሽ where I'm having I apparently I'm attached to condescending. ለሞት ነው እዚህ ላይ እሱ እንዳለ ሆኖ.
Let me ask.
Here's where like እንትን so to throw a tantrum ውስጥ እኔ like ውስጡ define የማደርግበት መንገድ I could be just as wrong as you are. ከኢንተራክሽኑ የምትረጂው is that person is cornered ነው። They can't get out of it ነው። እና how they would get out of it is by ለምሳሌ as somebody who's recently thrown a tantrum at a traffic and it worked.
I'm pretty sure you weren't physically throwing a tantrum.
የተንጫጫው ነበረ እንዲህ እያልኩ ነበረ ይሄ ሀገር ምናምን እያል did it work? Look at me. Did it work? Absolutely. I guess yes, I am a tantrum person.
You know what? I'd say nothing.
No, then that was an epic moment for me because it was a teachable moment. I've been trying to have the conversation in a very different way and I was getting it wrong. But when I tried that and it worked out, and I was like, I was communicating to the wrong wavelengths ማለት ነው እና I should have been on this wavelength this whole entire time አልኩኝ እና ትራፊክ የምቀጣበት ለመቀነስ ችያለሁ። የዛሬ 7 ወር ነው ይመስለኛል።
የምታስታውሰኝ ከሆነ ሰላም በላይ
Absolutely not. I hope he forgot. እኔም እሱም ስቀናል ኢንተራክሽኑ ሲያልቅ ማለት ነው። አይቶኝ ሳቁ መጣል እኔም ማጀሳቂ መጣል ሄድን።
እሱ ነው የምልሽ
That's what I
condescending እሺ ቀጥይ
to condescend ሲሆን ግን what you just said to me so mind-numbingly stupid እያለሽ ነው ሰውዬ በተሆኑ does that make sense? They do not feel cornered. In fact, they think you're very small. To condescend is to look down to you, on you, upon you, intellectually.
Okay.
To tantrum is to be cornered in a certain situation that if you have to get out of it, you would have to be like very creative. Let's just put it that way.
That's the thing, Eko. When you're arguing with somebody and having those discussions, and you think they're cornered and they think
they're condescending.
እሱ ነው ያልኩሽ ያለሁት እና
ግን ኤቪደንስ ስታወጪስ
again እሱም a matter of how much intellectually they understand you and how much you understand them ላይ depend ያደርጋል so when I say verbal tantrum ቅድም ያልኩሽ ጋር የምንመለሰው is because they explain it in a way okay I am clearly you're just እዛ ጋር and therefore የሚለው ላይ ነው የምትደርሺው and verbal tantrum በሁለት way ይገለጻል condescending when they're clear learning from what I understand of it they're clear on their point and you're just making something naive የሆነ statement ስትናገሪ and the fun they make out of it condescending ብዬ ነው ማስበው especially
that's the condescending I'm dying on
I agree with you so go condescending የሚለው ተስማምተናል tantrum የሚለው ግን when you have a point and they have a point and a disagreement ላይ ሆነው they become emotional therefore verbal outrage no kaza point bwala it's not really making a point that disagrees with you it's just emotional responses that will hurt your feelings below mitasabo no kaza point bwala mimeta so I've noticed that when somebody is intellectual honogan when they're emotionally vulnerable at that topic tantrum
they pull something
and it's not even condescending in a way that's just making fun of your offcomings in your discussions ሳይሆን generally okay I'm gonna hurt your feelings because ይሄ topic I'm sensitive about የሚለው level ላይ ስትገቢ ነው ለኔ tantrum ነው ያብዬ ማስበው
okay I see
አሁን condescending ልል ነበረ ግን I realized you know what መውጣት እንችላለን
I genuinely said I see.
Okay no I'm not disagreeing with you just ትዝ ብሎኝ ነው I cannot tell because you're laughing
no Do I have any unpopular opinions? I don't think I have any unpopular opinions today. I've had a very good season. I loved it. My unpopular opinion, Laznanash.
Of course.
Yeah, public basu wambar is the most comfortable wambar in this like public transport game. Let me know your comments.
You are aware those are designed awarana qoshasha ለመደበቅ the coloring, right?
No. ኮምፈርት ሌቭል ነው ያወራ
no I disagree
የአርሰናል ማሊያ ያለው ታክሲ አለ ኢትዮጵያ ውስጥ ላይ
I'm just telling you facts so that comfortable ስትሆኚ just keep your hands to yourself ያልኩሽ
I can't help it I'm on my phone
ይሻልሻል
and also like መታጠብ beforeም afterም option ነው
I mean
but then again you know I don't want to bring dark things to your right ተጠቃሚ ነሽ አይደል people fuck at night in those cars
oh I do wash so በጣም ስገባም sanitizer
it's the same thing
yes it is
we'd like to thank Taraki for their space and platform we'd like to thank all of you for watching this episode እስከ መጨረሻው I would like to ask you to join our Telegram channel which is in our description to continue the conversation እዚህ የጀመርነውን what do you think a tantrum and condescension have in common and intellectual tantrum ብላችሁ የምታስቧቸውን ነገሮች አስረዱን it would be nice to get additional perspectives yeah thank you guys for watching
bye